I hold the world and watch it turn between my curious hands, a spinning mix of blues and greens, a swirling blur of lands. I touch it lightly and it slows. I feel its bumps and lines of mountains tall and valleys deep, and continents defined. I marvel at the places that I hope to see one day, and wonder at the faces I might meet along the way. I'll shake the hands of people, all shades of browns and tans, of desert sands and darkest soils, all colors of the lands. Folks with eyes of browns and greens, and blues of seas and skies. I wonder if they think like me, of hows and wheres and whys. I long to know their stories of the past and present too. I long to walk their streets and paths, a mile inside their shoes. Though we come from different places, from tundra to the seas, from vast and barren deserts, to forests thick with trees, we all still live together. Despite distance and sprawl, we still have much in common, and we share this big blue ball.